Welcome back to I Can Juice It. Today I'm going to show you how I made pasta with the Omega 8006 with my daughter. So the first thing you're going to be needing is the blank screen. So take the juicer screen out, and it's the one that's solid, so it allows everything to pass through, and then you'll choose the attachment that you'd like. So it's completely up to you what shape you'd like. Just choose one of those. And then mix up your ingredients. We just use a really simple flour, egg, salt recipe, which I will post more detailed instructions and recipes below. But basically you'll need that for about 10 minutes, and that's what it will end up looking like. After you're done, place it inside some plastic wrap in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. You can go a little bit longer, just make it earlier in the day so it's ready to go when you're ready to use it. And then place that in the fridge, and then once you're ready, take it out and you'll just roll it into little tubes and basically send it through the Omega just like you would anything else. So you'll just kind of divide that into smaller, almost little logs to be able to push through the Omega 8006. And it's really, really easy. As it comes out, you can clip it, or we just let it come out on its own and trimmed everything up later. But you'll see my daughter's doing this, so it is very easy, and nothing was sticking, and it came out nice. It wasn't too dry. So this took at most 10 minutes, if less than that. So this is the real time sending the dough through the Omega 8006. And then what we did basically after that is just kind of decide on your desired length, depending on what shape you chose. And we just lined it all up on our kitchen table and trimmed it, just like you're seeing now. And then after we trimmed it, you'll see that each strand has 4 individual strands inside of it. And we just very carefully pulled those all apart, laid them all out on our table, and let them dry for a little while. Although you can skip that part if you're wanting to just use it immediately for your meal. It's completely up to you. But just kind of showing you how we kind of just take it out, trim it, separate it, and you'll have, if you choose to do that, you'll have a bunch of individual strands of pasta all over your table for a little bit. And then basically from there you're done, and all you need to do is throw it in your pot and cook it. And it was incredibly fresh and delicious pasta. Combine it with any sauce that you would like, and that's all you got to do. I hope you try it out. Check out the blog post for more info, and have a great day.